For treat sources equipped with a flow meter, calibration is recommended twice daily and any time a new slurry or liquid is introduced. Treat sources using a loss in weight scale should be calibrated whenever the liquid product is changed, as the product's density is determined during initial setup. To begin calibration, ensure that both valve handles on the pump stand are set to calibrate in cal. Select the desired treat source from the grid on the left, which will populate the associated fields on the right. Click and hold the jog button to pump liquid into the calibration tube until it reaches the 0 ounce mark. If the liquid level is above 0, drain the tube back until it aligns with 0. Next, set the pump speed and time, which is commonly set as 20% speed in 180 seconds. The goal here is to have the pump stand fill the cal tube with as much liquid without overflowing. The more liquid in the tube, the better the calibration is. Press save to confirm the settings. When ready, press the start button to begin calibration. For treat sources using a loss in weight scaling system, ensure no one touches mixing tanks or kegs on the stand during the process. As the calibration runs, the remaining time will count down. If the process needs to be stopped due to setup error or lack of liquid flow, press the abort button. In addition to standard calibration, it is important to determine the maximum rate a pump can deliver, which can vary depending on the pump stand hardware, product being applied, and product temperature. To determine the max rate, select the max button at the bottom left of the calibration page. Ensure the treat source runs into the empty calibration tube, then press max start. The system will briefly run the pump at full speed, then stop. Once completed, the maximum rate in fluid ounces per minute will be populated. Press submit to save the value to the treat source record. Finally, the tune function allows operators to test the pump's ability to meet application rates without running an actual order. From the calibration page, enter target ounces per hundredweight and treatment rates. Then run product into the calibration tube to simulate treating seed. These values can be adjusted as needed until the pump is confirmed to deliver the required rate. Once the timer ends, read the liquid level in the calibration tube and enter the value into the cal actual field. Press submit to record the calibration, which generates either a cal factor for flow meter treat sources or a density measured in pounds per gallon value for loss in weight scale treat sources.